Guess what holiday's coming soon? St. Patty's Day, you got that right. So what are we making in honor of St. Patty's Day? We're making corned beef and cabbage. Come take a closer look. This is such a simple, easy recipe in the Instapot. It does take a little bit of cook time. There's a 90-minute cook time while it's in the pot, but it's just a very few ingredients and so easy to make. And in fact, as you know, corned beef is not just for St. Patty's Day. So come along with me and let's get cooking.
Let's go over the list of ingredients needed for this recipe. First, you need a piece of corned beef brisket. I am using a 4-pound piece of brisket, but you can use a smaller piece if you prefer. 1 small head of cabbage, 4 large carrots, about 2.5 pounds of yellow gold potatoes, and some minced garlic. Let's prepare our Instapot. I'm putting the trivet at the bottom of the pan, adding 4 cups of water. I'll be adding my minced garlic. I'm using about 2 large tablespoons, but if you use fresh garlic, you can do about 4 cloves of garlic minced. Now I'm going to put in my piece of corned beef brisket, fat side down, and just get it to sit at the bottom of the pan on the trivet. Once it's in place, I'm going to go ahead and secure the lid and set the vent to sealing. We're going to put the Instapot on pressure cook for a total of 90 minutes or an hour 30 minutes on the display screen. While it's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my vegetables. First, I'm going to peel all my carrots. Then I'm going to chop them into fourths and then half them in some cases to make them about even-sized pieces. I'm going to do the same for my potatoes. I'm going to peel them and then chop them up in halves and quarters for even-sized pieces. I'll soak them in cold water until I'm ready to go ahead and put them in the Instapot. I'm going to prepare my head of cabbage by coring and taking out the core. And once I've cored it, I'm going to cut it in half and then slice it into wedges. This is the best way to cook the cabbage in the Instapot. Now that the 90 minutes has occurred, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick release. Now that I've done the quick release, I'm waiting for the pin to drop, and now I'll be able to open the top. Time to take out the corned beef. I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the Instapot and put it on a serving dish. As you can see, I get tangled a little bit in the trivet, but I'm removing all the meat, fixing the trivet. And now I'm going to go ahead and cook the vegetables in the Instapot. I'm going to put in my potatoes and my chopped up carrots and my cabbage. I'm pushing it down into the liquid, but it all does not need to be submerged. It will go ahead and be steamed while it cooks in the Instapot, so this will be just fine. Now that we've added all our vegetables, it's time to put the lid back on, set it to sealing, and set the time for just 4 minutes. Once it's done, I did a quick release again, and there we have it, our beautiful cooked vegetables. As you can see, they're cooked, but they're not falling apart. They're just cooked beautifully. And there you have it, corned beef and cabbage in the Instapot. If you like this recipe, please like my video and comment down below. If you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be informed when my next video is available. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.